mallard is the most abundant duck in North America. The male's distinct call differs from the familiar quack of the female.
She doesn't even deserve a light, apparently.
The rattle of the diamondback rattlesnake will warn you if you're getting too close. Be careful, they do not always rattle, so make sure you watch your step. A staccato chatter from the Baltimore oriole lets others know there is an intruder in the area. Bobcats are stealth hunters. They're very quiet unless it's mating season or they feel threatened.
Walk it out.